See? All colorful. Pink, blue, brown, green. Cool. So nice, Kitty. Thank you. Classmate, my name is Francis Matthew and I am from HKG Respect and I'm here to share some common name words using is, are, this is, that is, a, and, an. In a sentence. Okay. Let me start with is and an. This is my orange teddy. It is one. Yeah, because when we say is, there's only one. Okay. You want to share something for me? I like you. Okay. I ripped it already at the present. So I'm going to tell this all. These are markers. They are all colorful. I'm going to open it up and you can see. See? All colorful. Pink, blue, brown, green. Cool. So nice, Kitty. Thank you. Okay. When we say is, there's only one person, right? But when we say are, there's two or more person. Okay? This is one book. We say this because this, I'm holding it, is, it means it's only one. It's only one, right? Right? It's one. This is one book. With rainbows. It's a rainbow because it's colorful. See? So colorful, right? So, look at far away. That is, looks like a shark, but it's a toy gun. At the top or bottom? Come with me. Yeah. It's at the top. The front is at the top. The back is at the bottom. Look, it's bending. Wow. It bends. It bends. Okay, come here. Okay. When I say that is, it means I point. And is, it means it's only one, right? From like this is. But I'm touching it. But when point, it means that is. It's loud. Okay, never mind. Next, I'm going to tell a and an. You know this? You know it, right? It's orange. This is a water bottle. It is an orange color. Now I know it, my brain. Thank you, brain. You know it. Okay. When say a and an. Okay, I'm going to tell a and an. When you say a, it means B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. That's all A. But when they end, A, E, O, U. That's the vowels when they say A. N. So I already use is, are, this is, that is. Okay, A and N in a sentence. Bye-bye, teacher and classmates. See you again. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.